Spanish and English vowels. Hello. In phonetics, any language is divided into two groups, vowels and consonants. Also, they are divided into voiced and voiceless sounds because of a vibration of the vocal cords pronouncing them. In this case, all vowel sounds are voiced. Moreover, talking about vowels, we find diphthongs and semivowels. Then the objective of this video is to make a contrastive sound analysis of vowels in English and Spanish. So, it is focused on vowel sounds. First of all, Spanish has 5 pure vowel sounds, monophthongs, 14 diphthongs and 2 semivowels. In contrast, English has 12 pure vowel sounds, 3 diphthongs and 2 semivowels. Monophthongs. The Spanish vowel sounds are a, I, o, u. The graphemes of these sounds coincide with those of the alphabet. This is an advantage when learning Spanish. For example, in the alphabetical order, the first Spanish vowel sound is a, and sounds the same in each word. A, amor, mamá. Spanish speakers confuse this vowel sound with those of English. A, cat. A, father. A, cat. For example, I cut the cat to my father. We can see how the letter is the same, but the vowel sound is different, and how other vowel letters could sound differently. Letters does not represent a single sound. So, English differs from Spanish in the sense that Spanish is read as it is written. That's why English is not considered a phonetic language. The second Spanish vowel sound is E. Era, celeste. Celeste, era especial. Contrastively in English we find A, made. E, say. Fur. About. He said that he made her coat of fur. The third Spanish vowel sound is I. Isla, bici. Yo voy a la isla en mi bici. In English, the vowel sounds are I, see. I, sit. I see you sit there. The fourth Spanish vowel is O. Oso, amoroso. O, oso, amoroso. In English we have O, ball. O, go. The ball goes away. Finally, we find the U vowel. Spanish, uniforme. Usual. Es usual usar uniforme. About this vowel sound, it is different in English. U, look. U, do, look. I am going to look for look. Let's go to the second part, semivowels and diphthongs. A semivowel is a consonant which has a portion of 2 vowel sounds and they are not a syllable. The semivowels in English are I, yes, yellow, you, u, wet, well, William, and the semivowels in Spanish are the same. Ley, carey, fauna, deuda. Now, diphthongs. A diphthong is a type of vowel sound where 2 vowel sounds are produced consecutively in a syllable. The diphthongs in Spanish could be increasing or declining. An increasing diphthong begins with a semiconsonant and ends in a vowel. Ya, in words like viaje, ye, serie, yo, biólogo, you, viuda, wa, agua, we, puente, we, cuido, wo, cuota. On the other hand, a declining diphthong begins with a vowel and ends in a semi-vowel. I, baile, vaina. We find this diphthong in English too. For example, height, like, mine. Au, aurora, laurel in Spanish. In English, amount, mouth, hour. Ei, peine. Eu, euforia. Ella tomó su peine con euforia. Hoy, androide, prohibición in Spanish. Destroy, boil in English. Ou, yogur, clamor. To sum up, it is necessary to mention how the pronunciation of English is difficult for Spanish speakers because of short and long vowels. Since in Spanish, vowel sounds do not change in any word. Spanish is read how it's written. Also, it is important to remember that English is not a phonetic language. This means that if we see a letter or a group of letters, they are not necessarily pronounced at the same way in every word in which they appear. That's it. Thank you so much.